In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Easypaisa to your Shopify store. This integration can enhance your e-commerce experience by offering more payment options to your customers, making it easier for them to purchase from you. Let's dive into the process and go through it step by step. To get started, you're going to need your Shopify store open and ready. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. It's crucial for you to be familiar with your store's dashboard before we proceed. This is where we'll be making all the necessary changes today. Before you go into the details, it's important to note that you should have an active Easypaisa account. This way, you can seamlessly connect Easypaisa as a payment provider for your online store. The first thing you want to do is access your Shopify dashboard, which is your command center. Here, you'll manage everything from products to payments. On this dashboard, you should find a tab labeled Settings. It's usually towards the lower end of the side menu. Once you're in your settings, the next step is to select Payments. This page is designed to be the central hub for all things related to payment configurations on your Shopify store. Now, scroll through the available payment providers until you reach the section where you can add a custom payment method. This will be particularly handy because we will be adding Easypaisa manually. Next, you need to choose the option for Manual Payment Methods. This option allows you to create a method that isn't listed by default. Here, you'll input the basic details about Easypaisa. For the payment name, you can simply input Easypaisa. Then, in the field for the description, specify to your customers how they should proceed with an Easypaisa transaction. Clear instructions here can go a long way in ensuring smooth transactions. You can mention details like receiving details via SMS or email after the order is placed if necessary. After you have input all the necessary details, click Activate or Complete Setup to ensure that Easypaisa is now active as a payment method on your store. It's equally important to regularly test this payment method to ensure that everything is running smoothly and your customers won't face any issues. And there you have it. You should now be equipped to connect Easypaisa to your Shopify store. With this setup, you're offering your customers a convenient way to pay directly through Easypaisa. Remember to always check your transactions and communication settings regularly to ensure both you and your customers are receiving the information you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your e-commerce journey a successful one.